Hey, good morning, guys. So, as we know, the price of oil has gone up significantly, affecting the price at the pump. It's also increasing the repair costs for many things, including car maintenance. So this morning, we're joined by Glen Hayward with Good Works Auto Repair out in Tempe, talking about why you should stick to the schedule when it comes to the oil changes. Glen, thank you for being here.
My
Tell
pleasure.
us what we're seeing on the car maintenance side of things. I'm sure costs also are going up.
Costs are going up already on oil. I think anticipatorily, the companies that are manufacturing the oil and everything are already raising their prices because they know that very soon the results of the Strait of Hormuz is blocked still to this very moment.
Yeah.
And it'll still take probably 6 months to a year to recover from that once that happens. So the oil shortages, the oil comes from there, then it comes over here, then it has to be sent back out and processed and refined, and everything has to happen at different places around the world. It's not just all done in the United States. It's not all just done in the Middle East. In fact, none of the oil is actually refined in the Middle East that we use here in the United States.
So if I have a little alert on my car, my truck that says get your oil changed now, are we going to be paying more for that today than we were, say, a few weeks ago?
The things that I've been reading in the trade magazines are saying that the price of oil per quart is going to be doubled or tripled probably in the next few months. And I think, I speculate that it'll probably remain there for quite a while because it's going to take a while for all that to recover and replenish the stockpiles of it so that it's more available and they'll bring the price back down. But like many things that we see in our society, once the price goes up, it takes a long time, or sometimes it never comes down.
It never comes down sometimes, right? So we got your car here, and this is a 97.
97 Camaro.
One of the things that you suggest is, yes, it's going to be expensive, but make sure you stay on schedule when it comes to the oil change and other repairs.
Yeah, I mean, not doing your oil changes on time can lead to catastrophic failure of the engine, and replacing engines or repairing engines that have been damaged from depletion of oil. Modern day cars, I mean, the latest and greatest cars that are out there right now are all, they're GDI motors, the gas direct injected motors, so they're no longer lubricating the valves and taking the oil off them, so they tend to burn oil, and they can burn oil as early as 30,000 miles to start to burn oil. So the idea is to stay ahead of the game, because the only way to stay ahead of the game is to change your oil more frequently. So in spite of what the manufacturers are kind of coerced to say by the EPA, I recommend you do it more often, not because they make more money on oil changes. There's no money in changing oil. There really isn't. The real money is in repairs, so I should give them bad advice and say, yeah, go ahead and blow up your motor. I'll be glad to fix it for you. But the truth is, if you change your oil more often, I would stick with 5,000, as most manufacturers recommend. And then at some point when the car gets over 30, 40, and you start to pull your dipstick, if your car even has one, many cars don't even have a dipstick in the engine anymore. But if you can check it and you can see that your oil is getting dark, or it's starting to go down on the dipstick, then you know you're burning oil. The easiest test is when the car is cold, swipe your finger in the tailpipe. If it's black, sooty, you're burning oil.
Okay, really quickly before we go, when it comes to getting oil change, dealership, those quick service places, local mechanics, where do you suggest people go for the best price?
Well, the best price isn't always the best deal. The quality of oils that are used in a lot of these quick lube places isn't the greatest quality of oil neither. There are different qualities of oil. And so, I would recommend that you go to a shop that's got a good reputation and stick with them, because they're going to give you the best kind of service. They're going to be using the best products because they have more to lose, I guess, if you will, by doing something wrong by using inferior products.
Get to know your mechanic, right?
Absolutely.
Glenn, thanks so much. Appreciate it. Thank you so much for coming here.
Appreciate the opportunity. Thank you.
All right. Well,